In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your store to a multi-channel listing platform and publish WooCommerce products to eBay with the correct shipping settings. We'll go through the full process from signing in all the way to checking your live eBay listings to make sure everything was imported properly. This is especially useful if you want your products to appear correctly on eBay without having to manually recreate shipping details for every item. First, sign in to the multi-channel listing platform shown in the tutorial. Once you're inside the dashboard, the next step is to connect your WooCommerce store. This gives the platform access to your product catalog so you can pull in the items you want to list on eBay. Make sure the store connection is fully completed before moving on, because the rest of the workflow depends on that sync working properly. After your store is connected, import the products you want to sell on eBay. Depending on the platform, this may take a moment, especially if you have a larger catalog. Once the products are available inside the system, connect your eBay seller account. This authorizes the platform to create and manage listings on your behalf. With both connections ready, open the eBay publishing settings. This is where you define how your listings will appear on the marketplace, especially when it comes to shipping. Start by selecting the destination country and the specific eBay marketplace where you want the products to be published. It's important to choose the correct marketplace because available shipping services can vary by region. Next, choose the correct domestic shipping service for your listings. Take your time here and make sure the service matches the option you actually plan to offer buyers. Then add the shipping cost, or enable free shipping if that's part of your strategy. After that, configure the handling time and item location so buyers can clearly see when the order is expected to ship and where it will be sent from. If you also plan to ship internationally, add the international shipping services you want to offer. Only include the options that make sense for the products you're listing, so your shipping setup stays accurate and easy for customers to understand. Once everything looks correct, apply the shipping settings to the selected products, then publish the listings to eBay. After the publishing process is complete, open the eBay listings and verify that the shipping methods were imported correctly. This final check is important because it confirms that buyers will see the right delivery options before they place an order. And that's it. Once you confirm the shipping details are correct, your products are ready to sell on eBay.